She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing an extreme closet clean out, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. I'm also going to be cleaning out some drawers in my room, so this is going to be a huge one and probably a very long video, so stay tuned. Really quick before the video starts, if you guys can like this video and subscribe to my channel because all your support really helps me grow, and also leave a comment down below because I answer every single comment and love chatting with all of you guys. With all that being said, let's get on with the video. So the first thing I have to do is show you guys a before and open my closet. All right, so let's see what we're working with.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
When you open my closet, this is the mess that you see. So I have a lot of like long sleeves up there, and then I have some skirts and short sleeves. Then I have some dresses over here and a lot of shoes down there, and then just some weird box. And then I have some like crop tops in that little thing, and then those are my Orange Theory clothes for when I go to work. Then I have a backpack, and then I just have some other clothes and stuff over here. Then over here I have some jackets, like teddy coats and stuff like that. Up there I have a lot more clothes that need to be cleaned out, and over here I have jackets and zip-ups. And then on my floor I have, those are bathing suits, those are sweatshirts, and those are some more sweatshirts. So this is going to be a long video. Hope you guys like long videos, and let's get to it. I think the first thing I'm going to do is just take everything out of my closet and then like sort through what I want and what I don't want on the floor, because I feel like it's easier that way. But unlike last time, I'm not going to take everything off the hangers because that was awful. I did do this before my channel. I have the video here if you want to watch that one after this one. But let me just take everything out. The bottom rack is complete. You guys, this pile is huge. Oh gosh, it's falling. I am going to finish emptying out my closet and all of my drawers, and then I will come back on because this video is already going to be long and this part isn't that fun to watch. Just finished emptying the closet and the clothes portions, and that's just like undergarments and that's organized, so I don't have to like fix that. And then that is just blankets, but we'll get to that in a minute. But this is what my floor looks like, so we have a lot of work to do. And I still didn't empty the drawers. Now that everything is on the floor, I'm going to put everything into piles. So I'm gonna have a keep pile, a donate pile, and a sell pile. And there also may be a pile, depending on how many things I want to keep, that I can't fit into my closet, to go into the attic and storage for like winter clothes and stuff like that. But I think I'm gonna try to make everything work just in my room. I couldn't even tell you where I'm gonna start. It's getting hot. Alright, I just fixed the lighting because I put my ring light over here, and now I'm going to start making piles. So far we're doing good. That's the keep and that's the sell. Obviously that was sarcasm. I have a problem when it comes to clothes. Even if I haven't worn them in a while, I'll just tell myself that I'll wear it even though I know I won't. Oh my gosh, my hair looks crazy. I'm gonna fix that. I also just want to say I'm not trying to brag in any way. I know that I'm very fortunate to have these clothes and I appreciate all of them. I just wanted to make that disclaimer because I don't want any of this to come across the wrong way. Now that that has been said, back to cleaning, and let me fix my crazy hair that I did not know looked like that.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
So, update, we are doing a little better. That is keep, that is sell, and we still have all of this. Alright, I have my piles all done and I'm gonna start hanging up my skirts that I'm gonna keep. And I am trying to do this by color, but like by style, so I don't know, I'll figure it out as I go, I guess, because I don't know if I'll be able to fit everything. I just finished hanging up on my skirts, so I'm just gonna show you like what I'm doing. So I have my denim here, and then starting here I have my greens, then I have my reds here, my pinks and like golds here. Actually, this should kind of be here. And then I have my plaids, and then I have all my black skirts, and then I have my whites. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm trying to do color coding by section, so like skirts, and then I'm gonna try to do shirts over there, like long sleeves, and then crop tops up there, and dresses obviously over there. So let's continue. Also, it did get really hot in my room, so I did change into this Abercrombie shirt and out of the sweatshirt because I was getting like overheated. This is obviously still empty, but the bottom little rack looks really good so far. I'm trying to color code it the best I can, but I will give you a full tutorial at the end. So the hanging things up is done for right now. I just finished the dresses. Now I'm gonna put some sweatshirts on those two shelves, so let's do it. Just finished this side, so this first shelf is just regular hoodies, and then the bottom shelf is zip-ups. Now I'm gonna move on to this mess, basically just cleaning out all my shoes, sorting through which ones I want and which ones I want to donate. I also have shoes in these drawers, but for the most part, these are shoes that I want to keep, so just gonna leave these. And then this is the other drawer with like boots in them. They're relatively like dressy winter boots, and there's only 2 pairs, so these could stay in here as well. So we're just gonna work on this little fiasco.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something bad.
Sorted through my shoes, and this is what it looks like now. Much cleaner and super nice. You guys, I just finished. It took about 3 hours to actually finish all of this. My floor is still a mess, and I still have to do all my drawers. But cue montage. Alright, so starting on this side, I just have my winter jackets. So I have my corduroy jacket and my teddy jacket, and then I also have my belt right here. I don't wear this a lot, but I just hung it on the middle of that little closet hanger just to make it look a little more fashionable. Then over here I have my dresses, so I color coded it. So I have black, and then I have gray, and then I have like pink and purple, leopard, beige, and so on. I think the dresses look pretty good. It is all color coded. And then down here I have my shoes. So these are my wedges. These are my white ones. These are my black ones. And then I have my sandals. So these are like these types of shoes. And these are little dressy flip-flops. And then I have my like sandals. Then I have some more wedges, and then I have some strappy silver sandals and some beige ones, and then I have Uggs that I wear in the winter. And in here I just have some art supplies that I use for when I journal and stuff like that. Then I just have this huge bag and a huge Twix bar. Don't ask why, I couldn't tell you. I was gonna give it to someone and then I just forgot to, so now it's just in my closet. Moving down here, I have my other shoes. So these sneakers my boyfriend got me for my birthday, and then I have some flip-flops and just some slippers and some moccasins back there. And then, like I said before, these are just my winter boots, but like the dressier kinds, I just have 2 pairs, so I just keep those in there. I put my Orange Theory apparel in here that I have to wear for work, so I just have some sweatshirts and shirts and some pants. And then that's a stuffed animal that my boyfriend got me a couple years ago for Christmas. This is just random stuff that I don't know where to put right now. And then down here, like I said before, these are my zip-ups and these are my regular hoodies. And then these are just some jeans and pants that don't fit my drawers. So these 2 shelves are where I keep my undergarments. Those are socks. These are hats, which I can show you. These are all like different types of hats, and then some scarves. And then these are where my bathing suits are. And then this whole shelf is blankets. Moving over here, I have more jackets. So these are like my lighter jackets, an exception for this one. This is a teddy one, it just didn't fit on the other shelf. And then I have my North Face and my jean jacket down here, along with my other North Face, which is over here. So I have my skirts all over here, I think up to here. And then I did my long sleeves color coded. I tried to do it the best that I could. And then coming up here, I have my crop tops and t-shirts. So I have the whites, the grays, the reds, the oranges, the pinks, purples, blues, greens, and the blacks. So I tried to color code it by like color and by darkness of the color. So like light blue, little darker blue, little darker, and then dark blue. So that is what I tried to do. Overall, I think it looks pretty good and I'm happy with the turnout, but now I have to do all my drawers. Don't be fooled, the closet may be done, but the room certainly is not. I just transferred all the clothes that I'm donating into these 3 bags, and then I put the garbage, like excess hangers that are like paper ones that aren't good, in here. And now I'm gonna start on the drawers. So for the drawers, I think I'm gonna do like drawer by drawer and not just throw everything on the floor because that was a mess. So I'm gonna start with my shirt drawer. I'm just separating into piles, so these are things that I have to hang in my closet, that's what I'm donating, and this is what has to go back in the drawer. As you can see, there's a lot more space in this drawer now, which is good for if I get new clothes and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. This drawer is done. I just took like an hour-and-a-half break. I went on a really long walk with my mom and it was very needed and relaxing, and now we're gonna get right back into it. I have about 7 drawers left and this is very tiring. Jean drawer is complete. Oh, but it's like stuffed full, so I still have to like push the clothes in, if that makes sense, but everything's folded. So this drawer is empty other than some of the strings that came out of my hoodies, but I'm just gonna fold the hoodies that I'm keeping and put them back in the drawer. So this drawer I have all my leggings and like athletic wear in. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna get rid of. A lot of this does not fit me, but my mom may actually want it. So I'm gonna sort through what doesn't fit me and then give some to her and put the rest in the drawers. Quickly show you guys the rest of my drawers because I actually don't think I'm going to give away anything in these drawers, and they're pretty neat and folded and I'm very tired. So this is just my denim drawer, and then that's just a sweatshirt that didn't fit in the other drawer. And then in this drawer I have pajamas. This drawer actually is messy, but I'm going to clean that another day just because pajamas are pajamas and I don't feel like it's that important. Don't come at me, it's just one drawer. And then in that drawer, there's actually nothing because I cleaned it out already before I actually started making this video. So I'm just going to put my new clothes in it that come in the mail in a little bit. So stay tuned for another Shein haul. And then that drawer is just like kind of like a junk drawer. So I'm not going to open it because it's kind of messy, but it doesn't have clothes in it. So it's not really part of the tour. Alright guys, that is about it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I am exhausted. This video literally took about 8 hours. Do I regret it? No, because now I have a super clean closet and I get to donate all my clothes that I don't wear anymore or don't need anymore. I actually decided that I'm not going to sell anything just because I feel like during these times it's more important to donate. So I'm just going to donate everything. My mom did take some of my clothes that she's going to wear and that's perfectly fine. And then I'm going to donate the 3 full bags of shoes. There's some school supplies in there and there is also clothes. So if you guys liked this video, again, remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you want or don't, up to you. And also leave me a comment down below because I answer every single one of your comments and I love chatting with you. Also, excuse my appearance, just a rough day. I started sweating when I started working on this whole project. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will certainly see you in my next one.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona